What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the dome light assembly on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description, head over to 1aauto.com. Just take a straight blade, pocket screwdriver, or even a trim tool, get in here, just pry this out. There's some clips that hold this in right there, right there, and right there. There's two clips right here, one on this side, one on this side. You just push down on these clips, these metal clips, and this slides out in the back, and then it slides forward. There's clips on the front, just like that. Disconnect the connector right here. There's two push tabs, one on each side. And you just slide this out, just like that. Take the dome light assembly, just line the connector up, and click it back in place. Now we're going to slide this back into position. There's some clips on the back side, so we're going to slide the front part of it in first, like that, and then just lock this in place. We can slide this back. Snap it in place.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.